What's up, guys? David back with another video. I'm going to take you to the yard real quick and kind of show you all the thatch that's been built up in the yard. I just got a de-thatcher, the SunJoe 13-inch 12 amp. That's just enough to do the job. I didn't want the bigger one. The smaller one will work just fine. So it's the last ditch effort to try to save the yard. My wife is like, did you just get that to make the video? I was like, no, we actually need it. So let's go ahead and jump in the yard and we'll go ahead and take a look and I'll show you all the thatch that's been built up. There it is. 13-inch 12 amp SunJoe Dethatcher. I got the corded version. It was a little bit cheaper, but after spending over $100 on the extension cord, I'm kind of wondering what I did. Alright, so that thing's gonna help us save the yard. So look, let's come over here and let's see this. All this crap. Just tons and tons of it, just dead. There we go. Just choking the yard. I mean, really, this is the last ditch effort to save the yard. Just everywhere. So we're gonna go ahead and run it through and then look at the results. Yard actually needs some water. There's another spot right here. Yep, you can see definitely for sure. Just full of crap. See, there's the dirt right there. Just full of crap. Oh, and here's the update on these plugs. Actually turned out pretty good. I wasn't really impressed when I did it, but now they actually turned out pretty nice. Right here. I mean, look at that. Actually pretty, and I cut a little saw piece right there. Okay. Shall we begin? Let's go. Just look at all that. It's getting the dirt, it's getting the thatch, and it's getting some of the new grass. Just what we wanted. So here's the bag. I mean, this bag does absolutely nothing. Generally what everybody does is just cut the grass and collect it in their lawnmower, because I mean, I did one small pass and it's completely full. So honestly, I could probably just sell this bag because I'll probably never use it. Do you guys see all this? This is absolutely insane. I mean, look at all this. I mean, look. Just look at it. I mean, just look at that. I mean, if there's lawn police going around looking for thatch, I'd get a ticket. I'm full of it. This is just absolutely ridiculous. Wow. All right, let's keep going. It got a little hot. It's about 90 degrees out here, and I think it's overheating. It's pretty hot to the touch. So we're gonna let it chill here. I'm about to put it in the shade, let it cool off. But first, I'm gonna show you just how hot it is. Found this baby block racer. Kind of saved. I actually found him in the yard. I thought I ran him over, but I don't think so. He's just chilling right there. Try to give him some water. Not really moving, but he's alive. Like I said, it's extremely hot out here, and it's overheating the equipment. But yeah, take a look at the yard. Full of thatch. Doesn't get better than this, guys. I mean, this is exactly what we needed. All right, we'll be back in a second once it cools off. Almost done. I got a little section over here to do. It's just so hot right now. It's picking up so much stuff. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. I mean, look at all that. It's picking up so much stuff. It's probably over 90 right now. I just don't want to push it. Had a Dremel overheat over the weekend. I think that thing's ruined. It's just too hot right now. Got it in the shade right there. Unplugged. It's doing its job though. Got the lawnmower over there ready to go. So as soon as we're done, we're just going to kind of cut it real low and pick everything up. And then put a pre-emergent down and wait for the rain to come. We're supposed to get a lot of rain tonight, and then I need to spray some weed killer because the weeds are definitely showing up again. That's all right, we'll take care of it. All right, we'll wait a little bit longer and we'll go ahead and finish the rest of it.